Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I just got my new microphone. It's a blue Snowball. It's pretty nice. You don't want to record too close to it or it'll just
probably sound like this, because this is exactly how you want your audio to sound.
I'm completely joking. That's not how you want your audio to sound. Now, I'm recording with my iPad. You're probably wondering, how are you doing this with your iPad? Well, let me take it out for a second. By the way, this is what it sounds like. This is what it sounds like without the thing. Okay, so it comes with the USB cable, but clearly that doesn't fit into your iPad thingy-majigger. So you're going to want to get a Lightning to USB camera adapter. It looks like this. And what you're going to do is you're going to plug the USB into this, and then you're going to if you need to get really close to your microphone for some reason, just get a pop filter or something. It should work like that. Anyway, I don't know if I've already said this, but this is a blue Snowball. But if you want good quality audio, you can't really see me right now. I'll figure that out later, but that's basically how it works. So thank you guys for watching. This isn't a tech tutorial channel or anything, so this is just me testing out my microphone and everything. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one.